How to change your ad phone number on Shein. So here is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the Shein app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Shein account. Then once inside the Shein app, all you have to do is tap on the Me option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then, once inside your profile, tap on the settings or gear icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then, once you tap on it, tap on the Manage My Account option available there. Once you tap on the Manage My Account, tap on the My Phone Number option available there. Now all you have to do is follow the prompts to add or change the number and enter a verification code and confirm and the save changes. So here as you can see, I do not have any mobile number linked in my Shein account, so I need to add it. Simply type down your ad number and type down the verification code and that will be done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.